Cillian's playing with his bird. So Morgan, all that that I was just doing, it wasn't recording. I just opened up the lens. So we missed all that. But he's still making noises and playing with the bird.
Aww.
Still playing with the bird.
Daddy needs to learn to work the camera.
Yeah. But Morgan had said that the bird is Cillian's favorite toy.
First favorite toy.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, baby. Oh. Can you see the toy with it?
Yes.
Seems like it would be blocked by the...
No, I have
trunk.
a good angle. So Cillian is 3 months old now.
Yep.
And his first favorite toy is the bird that attaches to his bouncer. Yes.
I love you. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Cillian.
Oh. So cute.
There's also a monkey attached to that thing, but he never pays attention to that.
Well, it doesn't swing.
Oh.
Well, it swings, but it doesn't, like, rotate.
Oh.
I mean, like, you can't really make it flip or anything.
Yeah.
I think he likes to flip the bird. The bird does more things.
He likes to flip the bird.
Oh, great.
Whoa, you got it going there.
You're so cute.
He's looking up at the blue part of this thing that doesn't light up.
Because it's used.
Oh, that's an awesome angle. Get it. Get the bird. The bird. Flip the bird, Cillian.
There we go. Good boy. Oh, you gave a smile. Oh, your clothes are cutting in your face. Hi. You're kind of getting all slouchy in there. I love you.
Say bye-bye, Cillian. Can you say bye-bye?
Your timing was much better the first time Daddy tried to take it.
Okay. Did that mean bye-bye?
We can pretend.
Bye-bye.